Yesterday, we learned about rational and irrational numbers. We learned that a rational number can be written as a ratio of two numbers, also known as a fraction. So what we're going to do today is prove that 13/20 is a rational number by finding its decimal equivalent. So I'm going to start by dividing because I know a fraction bar actually means to divide. So 13 is going to go inside of the house, and 20 will go on the outside. I already know that 20 is bigger than 13, so I'm going to go ahead and add this decimal and bring it up, and I'm going to add a 0 because I know 20 is not going to go into 13, so I had to add that extra place value. A really great trick we can do to help us move through long division faster is to practice by multiplying what this divisor is. So I know 1 times 20 is 20, 2 times 20 is 40, keep adding 20 each time, so 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, and we'll see if that's enough. So I know this is 1 times, this is 2, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, and 10 times. So how many times does 20 go into 130? Well, if I look, I know that it would have to be 140 to go in 7 times, so I know it's going in 6 times. So 6 times 20 was 120. Do my subtraction, and I see I'm left with 10. And then we're going to go ahead and add our 0 and bring it down. 20 goes into 100. Oh, I have that one right here. It goes in perfectly 5 times. That's 100. So I'm done. I don't have to add any more place values. So now I'm going to look at my options. A is definitely wrong. 6.5, nope. My decimal comes before the 6, so that is wrong. 65, nope. And I see it is D. The real proper way for that to have been written would have been 0.65, but the intention was that this would match visually for you.